Today we are going to make another experiment. I am going to compare condensed creamer versus condensed milk. In a previous video clip, I have shown you that different brands of condensed milk affect the taste of your resulting drink, especially when making drinks like Spanish latte. Now, most of my iced coffee recipe uses condensed milk and evaporated milk, so it is very important to decide which of these two should you use. Now, to make it simple, I'm going to use the same brand this time. I'm going to use Carnation. In the UK, you will see it very clearly. It says condensed milk, and here it says vegan. Vegan in this part of the world, in my part of the world, is considered as creamer. What are the differences between these two? Condensed milk is made from cow's milk and it is sweetened with sugar. So it is heated to remove the water from the milk, making it very concentrated and sweetened with sugar. Now, condensed creamer, on the other hand, is made from vegetable oils, also sugar and other ingredients, which I am not sure what they are. Well, this is not a scientific test. It is about taste testing the difference between condensed milk and condensed creamer. Let's take a look at the color. This is condensed milk. The color is lighter than that of condensed creamer. So this is definitely darker than condensed milk. Let's take a look at the texture. This is condensed milk. Thick, creamy, and this is condensed creamer. Well, very similar in texture, although I would say that the creamer is thicker than the condensed milk. Condensed milk is more expensive than creamer, slightly more. Will it make a difference if you use condensed milk and give you an edge over your competitors? That's what we are going to find out today. Let's find out how the taste differs. That is a familiar taste. And then now I'm going to taste my condensed creamer. That is really very sweet. I would summarize the taste as the condensed creamer being a little bit sweeter, and it's almost like flavored, like caramel, whereas the condensed milk is just tasting like plain milk. Now let's find out how these two affect the taste of our drink. I'm going to make Café Bombon. Now, what is Café Bombon? It is a Spanish drink which is espresso, and you add sweetened condensed milk to sweeten the drink. So we are going to use the same amount of sweetened condensed milk and creamer, 20 milliliters of sweetened condensed milk in one of the cups, and I'm going to label it as such. This is for milk. And for the other cup, I'm going to use condensed creamer, labeled as C for creamer. And then I'm going to pull 2 shots of espresso, 1 for each cup. Okay, now I have my 2 Café Bombon here, and I'm going to taste each one of them and find out whether there's any difference at all and which one is better. So the way to drink this is to stir the coffee. Make sure that you combine the milk and the espresso. In terms of texture, using the creamer, the texture of the coffee is a little bit more thick. It is creamier. And using the milk, the texture of the coffee is lighter. It is almost like just your normal latte. And in terms of taste, wow, this is really good. You need a really strong coffee to balance the taste of the sweetness of this milk. Okay, that is tasting just like a regular coffee with milk. And now for this one, using creamer. This one is tasting more like coffee with some flavor like caramel. So which is my preference? I think that I would prefer to use the one with creamer in this case. In summary, if you're looking for that full milk flavor, then I would say go for the condensed milk. If you're looking for something extra special, thicker, creamier, then go for condensed creamer. Next time you go to buy condensed milk or creamer in the supermarket, check the label. It will be clearly indicated whether it's milk or creamer. And as a guide, it says that milk is used for baking and also for dessert and toppings, whereas creamer is used for drinks. Well, that's all I have for today. If you have any questions about this experiment, then do let me know, comment below. I'll see you again for more of this taste testing in the future. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.